So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install and wire a smoke detector. Cut the white sheathing around the wire. So what I did next was pigtail each wire. Pigtailing is where you connect the two wires together and then add a single conductor at the end. And just simply tuck all the wire into the electrical box. So then you're going to wire the adapter that's going to connect to the smoke detector. You just match the colors white to white, red to red, and black to black. Grab two small electrical screws and then screw them on each side of the electrical box. This is what's going to hold the plate that's going to hold the smoke detector. Then just install the plate and then twist it into place. Tighten both electrical screws. Make sure not to over tighten because you don't want to break the plate. Connect the adapter on the back of the smoke detector. Then you put the smoke detector in place and then simply screw it on. You're going to want to remove the yellow tab. This will activate the backup battery. And there you go, that's how you install a smoke detector.